Hola, bicholas. Ooh. I just come to see the water level. It's too late in the day. It's going to be dark very soon. And I'd go around. I wouldn't go on the Hill of Death today. We were out yesterday. You saw what it was like. It won. Was it yesterday? It was yesterday. Yeah, Friday. Today's Saturday. I don't know. I'm high as fuck. But I've been doing shit. So this is the update for the day. Handheld today too. She's pretty high. It's as high as it was right around just after Christmas. I wake up early in the morning and I'll go for a stroll. Don't know if it'll still keep going up. It's not too, well, it's warm. It's above 0. It's probably like 2. That tree that's hanging out there, it's making some noise. I know last time when the water was high, you could hear it cracking. It might be gone by the morning, you never know. I know I was standing there and you could hear the thing fucking cracking. The river is always changing. Always changing. Don't see any deer across the way. I hear a loud dog. What a horrible noise. Alright, bitches. RTFO. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. We'll go for a stroll. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and buck right off. Stay off the ice. Whoa.